sweetie? You want food? Well, is it more food you want, right? What? What are you looking for? Food? Huh? Is it food you want? No. I have a feeling I know what you want. Is it combing? You want a comb? You want to be combed? Is that it? You want to be combed? You think that's what it is? What? Let's see. What? Wait a second. Wait a second. Is that what you want? Oh, what? Are you trying to tell me you want to be combed? Okay, let's go on your little carpet ride. Carpet ride. Is that what you're thinking? Combing? Is that what you want? And you're on your magic carpet and then you want to comb? Okay. Okay, I guess I gotta comb you. Okay? Okay. Let's get your comb. I'll get your comb. Yeah. And get that comb out. Okie dokie, I'll put it here. Okay, combing. Is that what you would like right now? Okay, how about sit down. Sit on your rug. Okay, and I'll be right back, okay? I'll be right back. You sit on your rug, and I shall come back. Okay, I'll come back to comb you, baby. Okay? Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, we'll comb you. Okay.